If you don't know how I got here, we have to go to where it all started. One of my biggest dreams is to go paragliding over some of the most breathtaking views on earth. And there's no better place for that than in Istanbul, Turkey. There's just one tiny problem. I'm broke. A round trip to Istanbul alone would cost me around $1,000. That's when it hit me. Is it possible to go from $0 to 1,000 in just 1 month? There's only one way to find out. Here are the rules. Rule number 1, I must start with $0. Rule number 2, I can only use the money that I earn. Rule number 3, I must complete this within 30 days or I'll miss the last ride of the year. Then over the next 4 weeks, I raced people for money, DoorDash for 24 hours straight, bought and sold a total car, and tried detailing someone's car using only Dollar Tree products. Somehow finally getting us to that $1,000 mark. Each and every one of these videos is jam-packed with the craziest content. If you skip them, you're really missing out. And joining me for the first leg of my trip to Turkey is none other than my boy Ethan. We hit 1,000. You hit 1,000? Yeah, we hit 1,000. Yo, good bro, congrats. Bro, do you know what happened? What's up? I was DoorDashing for 24 hours and I just hit the freaking road. For real? Yeah. What the, for money, bro? That's all we here. We got $1,000. Can you afford this trip? We got a flat tire. Holy crap. Yeah. Oh, appreciate it. Thank you. That's smuggling? Come on, Thank you. Yeah, let's go, big dog, let's go.
The first time. Thank you.
We're here. I'm like, it's like 4K, you know what I mean? I'll take all that space, bro. I'm about to take off. Oh my god. Yo, Ethan, where we at?
Istanbul, man.
Istanbul. Imane! No! They got us separated. No. Loki sucks that they split us up. For the last 24 hours in Istanbul, we did so much. We got so much done. So he's catching a flight to Pakistan while I'm catching a flight to Antalya. So I won't see him till we're back in the US, but it's all good. This is kind of where like our trips kind of start type of deal. I know this isn't really the type of content that I make, like vlogs, travel vlogs and all that, but this is kind of the end of my journey, so I just want to record more of it. But we'll be right back to like making money and all that in the next few videos. So thank you. Just got out of the airport. My paragliding trip is 3 days out, so I got a few days. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a 3 to 4 day road trip town Uludeniz, where we will be finally paragliding, Airbnbs and all that. But to get to the Airbnbs, I'm renting a car out. Here's the thing, I don't know how to drive manual. All of the cars out here are manual. For the last 2 weeks, I've been training on Gran Turismo. I know it sounds stupid, but like, what if I get stuck? I don't know. The rental people are gonna be here about 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch a couple of tutorials on how to drive manual and wish for the best. So we're just gonna go grab the car now. I'm scared as hell because I've never driven manual. Oh my god, this is about to be crazy. I'm just hoping he does not sit there and watch me drive away, because that'll be the saddest thing ever. I think that's a bit. I'm in the car right now. How am I gonna do this? I have no idea. Oh my god. Brake, clutch, put in reverse. Damn, bro, that's slow. Oh snap. Damn it. Clutch all the way.
You make me afraid.
Yeah, I got you. Oh.
Make full left and go down.
Alright, cool. Damn. Alright, we're not making it out of here. Oh my god. Wrong. First. Dang it. Yeah. Can you call him real quick? Wait, I'm not letting off the clutch too much. At the same speed.
Yeah, the same speed.
Okay, so when do they ever cross?
Then it will start.
Okay.
It will-
I'm doing it too evenly. You get it?
No, don't even.
Oh. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. All right, we got it. Second gear. Hell yeah. Yo, driving here is a freaking mess, but I feel like I drive just like them. So we got no gas. I'm still trying to do manual, and I'm on God knows where. Like I'm low key just in the middle of freaking nowhere. Nice. Oh my God, we got stuff in the ditch. But we're out of it. People, they're like, what the hell is going on? We didn't get pulled over, so that's what matters. Oh my God. Oh, we freaking made it.
Karaoğlan Parkı, park.
Oh, another park.
Park, Karaoğlan Park.
Tomorrow's the day we'll be paragliding. We'll be off of that mountain. But before then, I do want to take a look at the area. I know there's a lift that takes you to the top. So I want to go on that. I want to spend some time at the top and see how it is. So we're going to do that right now. Tomorrow it's gonna be between this pad, one up there, one even higher. All over 1,600 meters, I think. I'll be in the air for close to like 45 minutes. But right now I'm gonna walk around and goof around a little bit more. I wish I came earlier though. But yeah, so that's where my Airbnb is at right now. Yeah, like right there. But tomorrow I gotta meet him right here. So it's gonna be a nice like 10-minute drive. They just closed this guy off. So we're at 1,800 meters. Which is not too far off that one, just 1,900. So I'm just gonna stay here. But low key, they got seating here. Hold up. Nobody here. Damn, I got the whole place to myself. That's where everybody else is at. But I walked all the way up here and there's nobody here. It's mad peaceful. You see how loud it is down there? I'm gonna get some editing done real quick. I'm gonna just chill out here for a little bit, enjoy the views, you know. But yeah, after this, I'll start heading down. You know what today is? It is currently 7 a.m. I gotta be at the pickup location at about, they told me 8:20. So I'm about to grab my stuff and head out of here. so they won't let me use the camera. So I'll see if he'll record it, but it's all good.
Let's go, please.
Okay, cool. Alright, so we just finished. Look, it was mad fun. Got a little hot out there, but the whole thing was fire. But the flight was so much more fun than I expected. Shout out to the guy for not letting me die out there and like making it as fun as possible. But that's it. That was the goal. We finished it. Mission complete. I really appreciate everybody that made it to the end of this series and watched all the way to the end. A lot of effort really went into this. When I started this series 4 weeks ago, we had 128 subscribers. We just broke 3,000. It really does mean a lot. Thank you all. Got a few more nights out here in Turkey. For the real ones, here's one last montage.